Hello guys, let's make this LinkedIn ad with Canva. So these are the ones I did earlier, and as you can see I use the Canva for everything, but I have a feeling going forward there might be little changes because let's face it, as free form the tweets that I use. So, and as I said in my other videos, I'm not a graphic designer, so I just go with the feeling. So right now I'm going through to see this form I want to use. So I'm doing this first. Oh, using the wrong shape or wrong form for the so just changing it to an earlier pre-made size. Sorry, this feature is for pro. So I drag and drop template or the screenshot I took as a template as a key to use from the design. So after uploading it, go to elements, look for cycle, adjust the frame to suit the length you're looking for or to replicate what they have done. So if you're a pro, you get this in an instant. Or if you like, you get it in an instant. Also how to work around it, change the color. So the color is one of the main reasons why I upload it. Even if I don't get the elements right, I get the colors right. Nice thing. Still adjusting. You hold shift both ends at the same time. I sometimes like to go over just to make sure I hit the border. So with this, you just have to be resourceful. Kind of readjusting to suit the frame or to get something similar to what Canva did. Making a table here. So for the person sitting in the chair, I use the parameter person sitting in the chair. Depending on what you want, back view, person sitting in the chair, back view, sorry for that. Or you could just use woman sitting in the chair if you want a woman and be a bit specific with what you want. Go through a while to get what you want. So I selected two of them to go through and decide which is best for the design I'm using. The other one, download right there. elements to get a monitor. So you go through the monitor to find a appropriate one you want. So I make the screen now. So see that there's a gap in the edge, so I think I'd have to change the monitor. This is why you should get the one you think is appropriate, but you see how it goes. So I uploaded a couple of them this time to check which one is best. Still too big. Gotta go. I think I got a perfect one now. Sorry. For now, and to change color, same elements. I get the adjust the monitor frame, color for the monitor frame. You can ignore this if you think you got the right one you want for your design. So you go through, pick what you want, or just leave the monitor bare, or find something else to put in the inside. It's your design, it's your work. Do what you think is right. Just do something nice. Adjust the avatar to get what you want. There's some just rocking around to get some form of design to fill in the blank spaces. Try my best to get the same height and width, or the same size. Two more, or you could just adjust the bigger one, filling the rest. I think I'm going to go with two more. Hold shift and pull the edges. Same here. what I was going for. Add some separation. You can ignore this if you want. You can just be fun now. Or extra. Killing. Letting just do it all way. Good. Hold. And drag it down. Let's position. Change it to one test it properly. Make the colors a bit softer. The woman to the front, or the element to the front. All this, we have the little parts around. The landing help the focus point view. So you add your text now. When it comes to the text, do what you think is right. Pick the text you think is right for you. I'm going to get something close to this. So we're going to edit it to get something closer. So I think I've used it earlier, so I got the text I wanted a bit earlier, but you could just use waterfont.com to get the font you want. Making some adjustment to my text to line spacing and word spacing. So to me, the full stop or the dots give it all out. You know, it's round in the ears and it's square in mine, but that's my work now, so I do as I see fit. But I just need to get something close, something flat. The main idea for me is to get something as flat as possible and get some of the colors right. Get something that looks close to the ears, not the ears. So the goal of this is just to sharpen your skills and let's just say sharpen my skills and give me some portfolio, or when I get something to do, I know that I have to use this, I need this test, or I could just go inside and edit my old work. Simple as that. Go to next effects to get the borders and change the background around it a bit or fully, depending on what you want. But since I'm going for the LinkedIn look, I went all the way. So I think I am done. Time for some retouching. I have a folder of motivation based on the things I think I'll be going through and making similar ones with Canva. I don't know the software they use. Somewhere I've used Canva, somehow, but I've used Photoshop and others. But I am going to use Canva and try my best to make everything with Canva. So I think I'm done with this. I'm just giving it a bit of retouching. Yes. So thank you guys. Kindly like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. Follow for more. Thank you once again. See you in the next video. I think I did my outro before the video ended. Yeah, bye.